composable CDPs are built for teams that innovate and are builders. And by that, I mean, when you talk to an IT team at a sophisticated enterprise organization, they do a lot of things themselves because they know their data best. And so they often are already ingesting various lines of customer data, whether it's their interactions through marketing channels, whether it's their purchases, into a data cloud themselves. They're already providing analytics on that data to the business stakeholders, to finance, to the sales team, to marketing. And since they're the experts, the key question is, well, they bring a lot of capabilities to the table themselves. And so what do you want to do? Do you want to get a experience engine where you need to give away the keys to that entire data layer? Or do you want to control it yourselves? And for a lot of these builder teams, what they come in and tell us is like, look, I write my own machine learning models to predict churn. I have a team dedicated to merging our identity records, and we've been working on it for the past year. I want to use those IDs as I'm defining my customer segments and getting them out to different channels. Now we're even getting these builders coming to us and saying, hey, can I bring my own AI agents? If I predicted a subject line that somebody should get, can I put that and use it in your experience engine or your CDP downstream? And composable allows you to do that approach. So in GrowthLoop's case, we'll connect to that data layer. And when we're having these conversations with these teams that are builders, we'll say, build what you want, take the module that you don't want to build. So if you just want to activate audiences, but you want to use your own identity and your own machine learning, great, do it. You want to use your own AI agents, great, do it. If you want to use our identity, we can do that on your data cloud as well. But the principle remains that even if you use our module, that data is all going to stay in place in your data cloud, so you own it at the end of the day. So I think the thing that's changing in the identity space is also a small piece of the larger landscape. There's identity resolution, there's machine learning, and there's AI agents, all of which want to be controlled by these enterprise companies in their data cloud. And composable allows them to do that.